This video introduces the top 5 features included in the latest release of the Affinity Equinox and Callisto suite. The acceptable noise level test is a method of predicting the success from your patient ahead of providing amplification. This gives the benefit to both the clinician and the user as it estimates the patient's success using amplification and also helps when setting expectations for the patient's rehabilitation. The test requires that you first measure the patient's most comfortable level for a running passage of speech. Then you introduce a masking or background noise to a tolerable level to the patient. The ANL calculation is ANL equals most comfortable level minus background noise level. And this value gives an indication of how much competing noise a patient can tolerate. The SIQ test is a measure of a patient's ability to hear speech alone. This test is similar to a speech test which you can perform in the speech audiometry test screen, but it has an automatic amendment of the signal intensity depending on a correct or incorrect result. This allows you to perform the test faster and acquire an SRT score. The SIN test is a measure of a patient's ability to hear speech in the presence of a competing noise. This test can be performed in the speech audiometry test screen, but in the SIN test screen there is an automatic amendment of the noise level based on a correct or incorrect result from the previous stimulus. This allows you to perform this type of testing faster to acquire an SRT and an SNR score. For the benefit of all our TBS10 test box users, we've implemented the FM transparency test in the REM module of the Callisto. This test has been implemented in the Callisto suite the same way it has previously been shown in the Affinity and Equinox suite. This also makes the table mode available to help you to evaluate when transparency has been achieved. The new PDF labeling function allows you to customize the way that your PDF data is printed. The benefit of this is that EMR systems can then automatically read the data and allocate it to the relevant patient. This feature allows you to choose which data and the order in which it is shown within the PDF's file name. You can also choose which delimiter or spacer is used to separate these fields too. This saves time and improves compatibility for integration. For more information on the Affinity, Equinox or Callisto, please contact your distributor or see the interacoustics.com website.